Hey, what's going on YouTube? Back with another review, and today I'm reviewing the Haier AC unit. It's the window unit you plug into the window when you close the window, and have the hose going outside, sucking out the hot air and making it cold air. I've had it for about a year now, and doing a review about it. These are control the air, control the angle of the air. Here are the buttons, the fan, different modes, hot or cold, timer. What else is there? There's a handle here, not much of a handle, but around. Just look at the back of it. It's a pretty big, not big, but I'll give you a view how big it is. It's decent size. It fits in this corner of the room. And this room is just a window, so it fits perfectly in there. It blows pretty fast. You can hear it making a humming sound. The different modes. Here's the remote for it. The mode: off, up and down. Down. I turn it down. You turn the temperature, so it's gonna blow out 68 degrees. And right now, this room is hot. I ain't turning all day. This room is 81 degrees right now. It's going down because it's on. You see the little snowflake here. That's the, I guess, high AC mode. If I change the mode to the second one, it's gonna keep it at that temperature, but not as strong. Okay, it blows cool air, but it's not as strong. So you won't have that humming sound. It's getting a little warmer too. You won't have the humming sound all day. The next mode is just the fan. I'm gonna turn the fans on, so it just blows the fan. You want the fan on. And this is energy save. So cut on or off, but I leave it on. This one here. This blows the air, and in about 2 minutes, the AC is gonna cut on, pushing out air. The remote fits in here. There you go. The remote fits in there like so you never lose the remote. You always take it off, and yeah, you can use this as well to lose the remote. You always use this to turn on, turn off. But yeah, installing it wasn't that bad. I have an old school house, so the window was quite difficult at first, but I got it going. So now it's in the window. Not as good as I want it to be, but there is some installation to put in, but it's not as bad. But do I prefer this over a window unit that goes in the window? You know what? The window unit it's heavy for one, and you have to have the right size window too. When it's wintertime, you gotta tear out the window because the cold air will come in. With this thing, all you lift the blind up, take that hose out the window, and close the window. I'm done. And then storage may be a little bit easier versus an AC unit. I mean, this is, I like it a little bit better. And you can still use the window. Some windows you take half the window up and it's sticking out, but this, I can use the window still. I can still look out the window if I want to. So I prefer this. This was, I believe, $120. It wasn't that bad. I caught it on sale, good deal. But I like it so far. It gets the job done. Keeps the house, keeps this room cool. It keeps the room cool. So you want to pick this up because it's in the summer. It's best to buy this in the wintertime. I'll buy this in November and December because they're the cheapest. No one's buying an AC unit. I wouldn't buy it at the, in the middle of August because they don't spike the prices. I would buy this near the winter time. That way it's dirt cheap. It might be on set half off because it's just then the AC coming on now. It does have this loud sound, but it's okay. It's all good. It blows cool air. So it reminds me of an AC unit at a hotel. You know what I'm saying? The hotel, the big wall, floor AC. It reminds me of that a little bit, but after a while, you get used to the sound, it doesn't bother you. But so yeah, I like it so far. Try to buy it in the wintertime. It'd be a little bit cheaper for you. And this is my review. This is pretty much it that I have. Here's the hose. This is behind it. So yeah, I like it. I like it. Gets the job done. Keeps the room nice and cool. And that's it for the video. Hope you like it. Pick one up if you want to pick one up. It's getting hot now, and if you need an AC unit, if your AC, because my house is an old house, and my watts in my house and my AC don't push enough air to the upstairs, so I bought me a window unit to cool this room, way cheaper than upgrading my watts in my house. So if you have an air problem, upstairs, downstairs, this is easy to install. Nothing to pick up, nothing heavy. You put it by a window and let it blow the air. Okay. This is Ty for the xking.com, and thanks for watching.